In this video we will make y the subject of equation. So we must have y on one side of equation and all the other variables and numbers on the other side of equation. So first of all we will do squaring of both sides. So we have square root of x minus y upon a whole square is equal to b square. Now we know that a upon b whole power m is equal to a to the power m upon b to the power m. So if we have a power on the fraction, then the power will be applied on both the numerator and the denominator. So here we can see that a raised to the a upon b whole power m is equal to a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m. So here we are squaring a fraction. So we will apply square on both the numerator and the denominator. So we have square root of x minus y upon a square is equal to b square. Now we can cancel square and square root. So we have x minus y upon a square is equal to b square. Now since this a square is dividing on this side, so when we take this a square on the other side, this will be multiplied by b square. So we have x minus y is equal to a square minus b square. Now we can take this whole a square b square on the other side. So we have minus a square b square because this thing is positive, and minus y, we can take minus y on the other side. So this minus y will become plus y, or simply y. Or we can write y is equal to x minus a square b square. So y is now the subject of the formula.